In 2022, the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation trial became a global sensation, captivating audiences as if it were a binge-worthy TV show. It wasn't just any ordinary court case, it was a spectacle that had everyone glued to their screens, eager to catch every twist and turn, much like waiting for the next episode of a scandalous drama. After their brief 15-month marriage, Amber Heard didn't just quietly walk away. Instead, she accused Johnny of being a high-abusing monster. She painted a picture of a relationship marred by volatility and abuse. On the flip side, Johnny thought she was only after his money. Despite their $7 million divorce settlement, which Amber claimed she'd donate to charity, things took another twist. Amber made a grand show of her altruism, pledging to give the money away, but the reality was a tad different. In 2018, the UK's The Sun called Johnny a wife-beater in an article. Charming, right? Naturally, Johnny decided to challenge this characterization, but the UK court sided with Amber, leaving Johnny with fewer movie roles, including his favorite part in Fantastic Beasts. Losing roles was just the tip of the iceberg. His reputation took a massive hit, dragging him into a spiral of public scrutiny. Then came Amber's op-ed in the Washington Post. It didn't mention Johnny by name, but everyone knew who she was talking about. The timing and content left little to the imagination. In response, Johnny filed a $50 million defamation suit in Virginia, home of the Washington Post. Serves a strategic move. Indeed, it was a gamble to reclaim his tarnished image. Not to be outdone, Amber counter-sued for $100 million, claiming Johnny's lawyer defamed her by calling her abuse claims a hoax. Because what's a celebrity court battle without a little tit for tat? Both sides dug up dirt on each other, making sure the public got all the juicy details. Johnny's team brought up Amber's alleged past incidents, while Amber shared vivid stories of Johnny's supposed violent behavior. It was like watching a train wreck, impossible to look away. As the trial unfolded, it turned into a media circus. Every day brought new revelations, keeping fans and critics on the edge of their seats. In the trial, Amber's promise to donate her divorce settlement was exposed as a bit of a stretch. Only $1.3 million had been donated, and that was with some help from Elon Musk, her generous ex-boyfriend. Her noble pledge seemed more like a PR move than reality. And let's not forget Morgan from TMZ, who claimed Amber staged her bruises for perfect photo ops. The courtroom antics provided endless fodder for social media and late-night shows. When Johnny's experts called out the photos as doctored, it was the highlight of the trial. These accusations of photo editing added another layer of absurdity to an already sensational case. Finally, the verdict came. After weeks of testimony and drama, Johnny was found to have been defamed, and Amber owed him $10 million plus $3.5 million in punitive damages, though Virginia's laws capped that amount. Amber managed to prove one of Johnny's lawyer's statements defamed her, earning her $2 million. The legal victory for Johnny was a moment of redemption, though the battle left both sides bruised and battered. To make sense of the Depp-Heard trial, we need to look at their rocky relationship. Their romance began with sparks on the Rum Diary set in 2009, leading to engagement in 2014 and a wedding in twist. Their marriage lasted only 15 months, ending in a messy divorce with Amber accusing Johnny of abuse and Johnny insisting she was after his wealth. It was a classic case of he said, she said played out on a public stage. After their divorce, Amber's op-ed for the Washington Post suggested she was a domestic violence victim, hinting at Johnny despite not naming him. This piece, full of subtle insinuations, reignited the flames of controversy. Johnny claimed his career suffered due to these insinuations, leading to the defamation suit. During the trial, both sides presented evidence to support their claims. Amber's team recounted alleged violent episodes by Johnny, while his team discredited these accounts. The revelation that Amber hadn't fully donated her settlement cast doubt on her credibility. Her explanations for the shortfall varied, often changing to fit the narrative she wanted to present. Johnny's past substance abuse and its effects were scrutinized, revealing his struggles with drugs and alcohol. The court heard tales of his volatile behavior under the influence, painting a complex picture of a man battling his demons. Audio recordings showed moments where Amber admitted to physical altercations, complicating the picture. It was a messy tapestry of accusations and counter-accusations, with no clear heroes or villains. As the trial concluded, the jury sided with Johnny, awarding him $10 million in compensatory damages and $3.5 million in punitive damages. Amber was awarded $2 million for one defamatory statement made by Johnny's lawyer. The outcomes highlighted the complexities of defamation law and the fine line between free speech and damaging accusations. The trial was more than a legal battle. It became a cultural phenomenon, sparking discussions on domestic violence, defamation, and media influence. It highlighted the challenges of discerning truth amidst conflicting testimonies and media hype. Social media platforms buzzed with opinions, memes and hashtags as everyone weighed in on the unfolding drama. For many observers, the trial served as a reminder of the challenges in discerning truth amid conflicting testimonies and media sensationalism. It highlighted the need for due diligence and critical thinking when consuming such stories, as the court of public opinion often operates independently of actual legal outcomes. People were reminded that what plays out in the media is only part of the story, filtered through personal biases and sensationalism. In the end, the Depp-Heard saga was a cautionary tale about the perils of public relationships and the consequences of allowing private disputes to spill into the public domain. It underscored the importance of integrity and accountability, both in personal relationships and in the narratives that emerge from them. The drama, the courtroom theatrics, and the relentless media coverage served as a backdrop to broader societal issues. And that, dear audience, is how an ordinary celebrity breakup turned into a global spectacle, complete with lawsuits, lost roles, and plenty of drama. Grab your popcorn, because who knows what the sequel might bring. Will there be more court battles, more revelations, or perhaps a resolution? Only time will tell. For now, we'll just have to sit back and watch how this extraordinary saga unfolds. The Explorer signing off.